Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. I'm super stoked to be here because I get to announce to the world that Yanda are now making automated trading free. Yes, you heard that correct. And how? Well, thanks to a great partnership with Binance, you can now have a hosted Binance wallet on our platform. So you've got all the security that comes with a standard Binance account, but we also throw in the power of automated trading completely free. Yep, you can now buy, sell, store your crypto easily on Yanda, plus you can trade it automatically. So there's no more need to trade manually, even though we have manual trading available on our platform too, but you can enjoy the benefits of automated trading through your account. Now I'm going to give you a quick little demo and we'll see if you like it. So once you actually create your new Yanda account, you're going to end up on your dashboard. Now it's going to be blank, it's not going to be looking like this, but you have two ways to start filling this data up. You can either buy Bitcoin or deposit Bitcoin. Now this is something a little bit different. We've tried to make this as simple and as easy as possible for you guys. So if we want to buy crypto, we literally just hit the buy Bitcoin. We put in how much we want to put in, the currency we want to pay in, and then you get the approximate Bitcoin that you're going to get, and then you're going to fill out your KYC after this once you've hit exchange. Now I don't want to buy Bitcoin right now, but we do have the deposit Bitcoin option. Now when you do this, you're going to be taken to your balance area. Now, you can see my balance here. I've got my assets, the available assets, what's in reserve. So you can see that I've got, take for here LTC, I've got 11 LTC already in crypto bots, and this is my total altogether. So available, I've got say free Ether that I can trade. I can either deposit here, I can withdraw, or I can make a trade straight away. I can also hide zero balances. Now, if I want to say deposit Bitcoin, I just hit Bitcoin here, and that will pop up with my Bitcoin address. And then I would just go over to one of my exchanges, either say Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bittrex, KEX. There's lots of them out there, and I can just type this in and withdraw the money there and send it in to my Yanda account. Now, you can also withdraw. It's pretty straightforward. If you need any help with that, we will have more tutorials coming up, or you can just send us an email or just get us in the Telegram chat. And if you want to, withdraw failed, that's because I didn't put my information in. And you can also just trade straight away there. Now, we'll go back to a dashboard. So once you've actually either deposited or bought Bitcoin, you'll start seeing things like this. So you'll see the spot balance has changed. You'll see the number of bots that you got running, the number of assets, your verification level, and your deposits will show up here, whether they're pending, failed, or they were successful. And if you make any withdrawals, they will come down here. Now we'll go back to spot markets. And from here, you can see that we've got a lot of different pairs for you to trade from. Basically, all of the pairs that are on Binance are on Yanda. Yeah, so let's take a look. We've got the pair down here, the 24-hour movement, the last price, 24 high, 24 low, and the total volume that's gone through in the last 24 hours. Now, we do have 49 pages, which is it's over 1,200 different market pairs that you can choose from. Now, if I want to just trade manually, that would take me to the trade manual. And I mean, that's pretty straightforward. I won't go into too much detail on how to trade manually, but I will go in and I will create a trading bot today. So we could just say I want to trade Ether BTC and say create the bot, and that'll take me to the trading bot creator. Now, if I want to change a pair, I can do that simply from up here. I can either type it in or just scroll down and see what I fancy. But we're going to do Ether BTC today, and you can see here what I've got in reserve. That's already in a trade, what I've got available, and then what I've got in BTC as well. But I'm going to be trading, starting with my base asset is Ethereum today, that's what I've got available mostly. So over here on the right, we've got some new fancy graphs and charts to help you make your trading decisions, all thanks to TradingView. Now you can change the time frames here quite easily. You can also customize them here and add in your day ranges, or you can change how the graph or chart looks even. Now we have plenty of indicators for you to add in as well. And over here, there's also lots of different tools for drawing lines. You can even put in emojis and other icons. It's completely up to you. If we scroll down a little bit more, you've got your order book. So we've got your bids and your asks, but we'll go back up and we will create a trading bot. So this is where the magic happens. Now create a trading bot. Now the initial asset, like I said, I'm going to be trading with Ethereum because that's what I've got. And we're going to trade half, too many zeros on there, half an Ethereum for this trade. And I'm going to keep the stop loss at 25%, but this is just literally like a drag and drop meter. So it's quite easy to use. Now the expected base profits when buying Ethereum, I'm going to stick to the optimal recommendation here based on the current market conditions, and both of them are 0.9. And I want to end the strategy with Ethereum as well, but I'm only going to say we're going to make 0.5% on this trade, and then basically that's going to terminate the bot when profits hit 0.5 in Ethereum. Now we've also got some advanced parameters that we can add. I'm not going to do those in this video, but I'll quickly show you them anyway. So you've got the first one here. You can start the bot if the price reaches, and you can put in there. So this is basically just like a kick-in price. You can also restart if the balance is 100% in Ethereum and the price drops 0.5 from the last filled order. So these are a little bit more technical, and we will have some training on how to use these very, very soon. So I'm not going to use those, like I said. I'm going to close that up. I'm going to quickly check here. Initial asset, Ethereum 0.5, 25% stop loss, 0.9, Ethereum. It's going to close when I reach 0.5% in profit, and I'm happy with that. So we're going to start the bot. Bot created successfully, and there we go. I'm just going to scroll down and we should see it pop up here. Yes, you can see it, today's date, the pair, the investment size, and the profit-based profit quote. That will be where your profits will show up. Now you can always get more details by pushing the details, and you've got your current status, parameters if you used advanced, and the field that it's last made and the status is running. If you want to terminate it, you can. You just hit the cancel button. We can go over to our other trading bots, and you can see all the bots that I've got running here since the 7th of December, 11th of December, and today's date. So you can see this one from the 12th. This is one Ethereum. These are the profits so far. I've got this one running. They're all making profits. This was doing 5.5%, 1.2%, and these are my closed bots. So I got 0.5, 1%, 1%, 0.5%, 0.5%. 4.5% on this side, 1% on that side, 1%, 0.3, 0.0, 0.6, nearly 2%. So it's doing very well. I'm super happy with this new platform, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it just as much as we are. We've already been taking people on, and we're getting some great feedback from this platform. Now we also have manual trading. Like I said, I'm not going to go into this in too much detail. You can find tutorial videos on this, and I will be posting another video on manual trading very soon. But you can see here, it's pretty much looks as similar to creating an automated trade, but you just got a limit or a market buy or sell. That's it. So what do you guys think of the new platform? I would love to know in the comments if you've already signed up, and if you have, what the kind of profits that you're already making. If you haven't, you can either head over to yanda.io and create an account there, or I'll leave a link in the description for you to get sent there straight away, so as you can start getting your account set up, deposit some money, and start trading these crypto markets 24/7 automatically. As always, if you've got any questions at all, you can join our Telegram group. I'll also drop a link for that, or just email us at support@yanda.io, and myself or one of the team will be happy to answer your questions. So until the next video, may the profits be with you.